So, Google Ads 2025. Friends, the Google Ads interface has now been completely changed and evolved. Now, with lots of new ways and new features. And so this time we have brought to you this amazing and useful Google Ads course in the style of a complete digital marketing agency. Friends, all of you have been demanding for a new Google Ads course video since the past 1 year, and now finally it's the right time to start this journey and launch this course. All the folks who are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon right away. Those who want to learn Google Ads and are connected to the channel, you too please press the bell icon. Because now the course will begin in the year 2025 and it will run continuously for approximately 2 months from its start. So you will be continuously getting these videos daily for 2 months straight. Here you will learn Google Ads from the very beginning and everything will be completely from scratch. And we'll teach you everything to a pro expert level. Do you know why? That's because Marketing Fundas is a digital marketing agency. I am Hitesh Gupta, and for the past 16 years I have given Google Ads, SEO and various digital marketing services. We are professionals. So in the same style, because we are a digital marketing agency in India and we also operate in multiple countries beyond India. And we provide services like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn, SEO and social media, to others. And the strategies that we use for this, along with how we bring results, sales and leads for our clients. Everything related to that will be taught to you in this course. Now imagine how valuable this course is going to be for you. So friends, do not miss even a single class. And I can guarantee you that after you complete this course made by us, you will go from an absolute beginner to a complete pro level in the field of Google Ads. And your consistent hard work and regular practice will definitely get you a job, and it would also prepare you for freelancing in the future. Or even if you have to improve the quality leads for your business or you need to grow your sales, you will be able to do it all after this course. So those of you who are excited and want to learn Google Ads in 2025, then please go and write in the comment section that you will learn the course. Yes, I will learn. Yes, I will definitely learn. Because I think that you are as excited for this course as I am. Share your comments to let us know how much you love us and our team's hard work. Friends, the videos will keep on coming continuously without fail. And we promise that we will take you to an absolute pro level. Another thing that I want to share is that, friends, in this course we'll teach you how to get started with Google Ads, how to get free credits and also how to use them. And also about how we can set up the billing. And then we will also be learning how to use the different features that they have to offer, like the keyword planner and then the various other tools. Within this, there are extensions which are known as assets. And apart from that, how do we optimize budgets for every single type of campaign? And then what are the bidding strategies? Then how we will get results with lower costs, along with all strategies, steps, tricks, do's and don'ts. And along with that, you will be taught all the types of Google Ads campaign. We will not just teach you 1 or 2 types and quit. We will learn everything related to it practically, just like the way we create all our campaigns for our clients. Everything will be taught practically. And then how do we also get the desired results from them? You will be taught in detail everything related to doing conversions, how to do remarketing, GTM and much more. So friends, we are bringing one of the best and most in-depth courses for you and your learning. Hence, you must definitely learn from it and share it with people who you think can utilize this course to learn everything related to digital marketing, so that they can also generate some income from this through their businesses, their jobs or through freelancing. So now, this is for everyone who watch and follow our channel regularly. I have an update. Since we know that in the year 2025, it's not possible to do digital marketing without artificial intelligence. The skills required for digital marketing and artificial intelligence is same. Learning the tools and gaining expertise in them is very necessary. So keeping this necessity in mind, and if you want to generate a higher income in 2025 and you want to make your business grow at a faster pace than AI, and a digital marketing fusion course has been created by us and it's completely live. So if you want a 3-month certification, please call or send a text on WhatsApp on this given number right away. As this is an exclusive course made, which has very limited batches and only limited number of seats. So friends, it's a double whammy offer for you with the Google Ads course along with AI and digital marketing courses too. Friends, now we are going to commence our journey with the Google Ads course. So promise me that you will learn Google Ads well, and those who haven't written it in the comments, go and write, I will learn. Please write your comments. I'll surely answer them. The more comments, I get more will be the videos. Detailed courses on topics like Facebook and Twitter will be there, including SEO. Everything will be covered, but we need maximum number of comments. And you have to share this video. So thank you. Let's start with Google Ads.